Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. I hope you all are doing good and I hope you all are safe. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial and I'm super duper excited to share these products with you all. Now monsoon season chal raha hai, so it's going to be a smudge proof, water resistant, waterproof kind of makeup tutorial, but that is not why I'm excited. ये जो भी products है इससे पहले मैंने मेरे channel पे share नहीं किया इनमें से maximum products and I'm super excited to show you all because there are some really nice quirky products. So ये जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं आप भी परचेज कर सकते हैं बिकॉज पर्पल पे चलने वाला है उनका आई हार्ट ब्यूटी रेन डांस पार्टी एडिशन सेल एंड ये जो सेल है दिस इज द बिगेस्ट सेल ऑफ द ईयर ऑन purplle.com अप टू 50% ऑफ आपको मिल जाएगा. ऑब्वियसली मैंने मेरा कार्ट बना लिया है एंड नाउ इट्स योर टर्न. नॉट ओनली दिस, फर्स्ट 500 लकी विनर्स को मिलेगा 500 ऑफ अगर आप 5 PM से पहले ऐड टू कार्ट करते हैं आपके प्रोडक्ट्स. तो इसीलिए मैं ये जो वीडियो है जल्दी बना रही हूँ ताकि आप लोग जल्दी जल्दी ऐड टू कार्ट कर सके एंड यू ऑल कैन ऑल्सो बी अ विनर. सो ये जो सेल है 3rd अगस्त से लेके 10th अगस्त तक है. Now let's get started with the haul. I'm starting with a bare face. It's just that मैंने lip balm लगाया है because I just couldn't resist the lip balm. मैंने सुबह face wash किया था around 4 to 5 hours ago and मैं तब से घर पे ही थी तो I did not feel like washing my face again. So I'll be using this Micellar water from Good Vibes. This is the coconut micellar water and this is one of my favorites. So this micellar water cleanses your skin. It melts off any kind of dust or makeup that is on your face. It refreshes your skin, hydrates your skin. It's suitable for all skin types. And even though I was home all day, there is still a little bit of dust on the cotton pad. So next I'm using this cream by Glamrs. And this is their super spotless AM to PM pimple formula cream. Now this cream has calendula, tea tree as well as cinnamon bark which is really good for acne and it's helping me a lot with my acne. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि जो acne है थोड़ा सा आ गया है दोबारा because of hormones. So this product is effective to fight acne, pimples, redness, blemishes as well. So इसमें डाला गया टी ट्री ऑयल जो क्या एक पिम्पल फाइटर है. इसमें also डाला गया calendula which heals your skin and it has cinnamon barks which helps with the breakout. So applying a sunscreen. Now on the usual days you can definitely apply this sunscreen, some lip balm, thoda sa mascara and blush and then you can just head out. But for today I will be going on with full makeup, but anyway sunscreen is absolutely important. And ये जो sunscreen है ये tinted sunscreen है. It gives you a very sheer coverage but it's really great for daily use. So ये जो sunscreen है this is matte finish. It has a natural tone. It's dermatologically tested. It blocks away 97% of the harmful rays. Non-greasy formula है इसका and 50 PA+++ है ये. So next I'll be going with the M.A.C Prep Plus Prime. This is by far my favorite primer plus setting spray. I have gone through bottles of this and इससे पहले भी मैंने videos में share किया that this is my absolute favorite. Even though it's expensive, it's absolutely worth your money. This is a Prep Plus Prime product. It soothes, refreshes and hydrates your skin. It's dermatologically tested and it's non-acnegenic. So जब तक ये dry हो रहा है I will be using a deodorant and this is the deodorant by Good Vibes and this is in the variant Liquorice and I'm so glad that I got this because it smells so good. It keeps you fresh for a very long period of time and इतना ज़्यादा sweat भी नहीं होता because monsoon season में humidity काफ़ी ज़्यादा होती है and for this reason people tend to sweat a lot and this product is really nice. Next I'll be using this foundation. This is the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation. So ये जो foundation है वैसे तो देखा जाए काफ़ी liquidy है but this is medium to full coverage. You really won't need a lot. ये बिल्कुल भी cakey नहीं होगा and this is actually suitable for all skin types. Also अगर आप कोई भी function and all attend कर रहे हैं तो उसके लिए भी ये जो product है काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा है. So this is an HD coverage foundation. बहुत ही ज़्यादा liquidy है तो it is going to blend really well. This is suitable for all skin types. It gives you a radiant finish. Also it comes with a pump packaging which is really convenient. And अगर आपका कोई भी uneven skin tone है उसे बहुत अच्छी तरीके से clear करेगा. And here you can see that the finish is absolutely flawless. So you can definitely use it for any kind of wedding special events as well. This is actually great for all skin types and it is a pretty long wear foundation. Now since it is full coverage, you really do not have to use a concealer. So यहाँ पे जो भी spots and blemishes है उस पे मैं बहुत थोड़ा सा foundation लगा रही हूँ, and you saw that I do not even need more than 1.5 pump. So next, to set my foundation, I will be using the NYB loose powder. Now ये जो loose powder है ये और shades में आता है, but I got the banana one because I needed it for brightening. So I'm using this and it's very important to set your base. Now I have really dry skin, तो इसीलिए I am setting the areas जो कि crease हो सकते हैं, but monsoon में humidity के कारण जो है आपको ये ज़रूर set करना चाहिए आपका face. So ये जो loose powder है, this blurs out any kind of fine lines. It sets your makeup really well. It makes the makeup really long lasting and it absorbs all of the oil. So next I will be using the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette and this is in the shade 02. इसमें आपको काफ़ी सारे shades मिल जाएंगे. These are really pigmented. I'll swatch some and show you all. मेरे जो favorite shades है वो shimmery वाले shades है because I really love these kind of shimmery shades for everyday use. But definitely you can go with whatever you like. So for eye makeup I'll be using really light tones because I realized कि heavy makeup मुझ पे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता. So I went in with a light brown shade and I built a crease. Now I'm taking a dark brown color and मैं outer corner पे इसे थोड़ा सा blend कर रही हूँ to create a really nice depth. उसके बाद मैंने ये जो shadow brush है इसे blend किया and I was just confused कौन सा color use करूँ. So I'm using the kind of mid pink color and यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा shimmery effect दिया है and then I've blended the rest of it जो कि मेरे crease पे लग गया था. And then I took the same brown shade and I've put it on my waterline. Okay, so इतनी ज़्यादा excitement में मैं आप लोगों को दिखाना भूल गई कि मैंने कौन सा lip balm लगाया था. So this is the lip balm that I had applied. I have wiped it a little so that you can see the color of it. So this is the NYB Sweet Treats lip balm. उनके पास बहुत सारे और भी variants है, but this is the only one that I've tried and I am obsessed because this is in the variant watermelon, which is my favorite fruit, and it smells, I don't know how to explain. It smells really calming and delicious. I don't know if I'm making any sense, but it is just, the smell is just to die for. And इसमें tint भी है, तो अगर आप during the days when you really don't feel like wearing any lipstick, you can wear this tint and I think they have like 4 to 5 shades. उसमें से भी आप चेक कर सकते हैं, but this is my favorite and the fragrance is to die for. अगर आपने कभी भी watermelon fragrance try नहीं किया तो I highly recommend you all to try this one. And also it's very very moisturizing. It gives you a really nice hydration and it soothes your lips for a really long time. So next is an eyeliner and I am super excited to share this with you all. This is by the brand KAJA जो कि Purplle पे it's been there since a while now and I had been dying to try these products because they are absolutely unique. आपको इसमें 2 products मिलते हैं. This is how you can see and once you open this you have 6 months to use that. इसमें ना wings है इस type से. There's a wing, sorry, not wings. So this is just like a stamp it kind of thing and this is what I'm going to try for the first time. I have applied it on my hand. It's smudge proof but I have not tried it on my eyes because I really wanted this to be the first time. So let's just try this. So this is how you're supposed to stamp it and it's done. So this is how it is so simple and this is actually for the people who are beginning. And even though I'm not a beginner, somehow I just can't get my eyeliner right for the first time. मतलब मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा time लगता है even after doing my makeup for so long. So this is a really nice product and I believe everybody should try it. So इसका जो liner है ये बहुत ज़्यादा jet black, like super jet black. This is how black it is. So this is how the liner looks like. This is a close-up. Trust me, I have never ever done my eyeliner within just like 30 to 40 seconds. And ये मतलब in place है, मतलब टेढ़ा नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. You saw it on camera. It's just wonderful. Also, this liner is smudge proof. So this is how the stamp it looks like. I don't have. So yeah, this is stamped and this is the other side of it. You see ये dry हो चुका है and here you can see that this product is smudge proof. This is not smudging at all. मेरा eyeshadow थोड़ा निकल रहा है, but this is not smudging at all. So next I will be trying out this mascara, and this is the VIVIFY mascara by Purplle. And just look at the packaging. The packaging is so cute. Color combination hai, and the feel of the packaging is absolutely premium. So this is how the mascara looks like. This is a volumizing and lengthening mascara. Also this is waterproof, great for the monsoon season. So ये मैंने मेरे lashes को बिल्कुल भी curl नहीं किया है अभी, and I'll be trying out this mascara and I'll be showing you all the difference. And now I'll be just holding them in a certain way like this. This is what I do. So here you can see a really vivid difference. So मैंने mascara दोनों आँखों पे लगा लिया है, and you can see that this is just one coat of the mascara. Definitely you can go with 2 or 3 coats. We'll be using this shade from the same eyeshadow palette that we used, and I'll just be contouring my nose क्योंकि मेरा जो nose है वो थोड़ा सा fat है. So you can definitely contour your entire face with a shadow. This is like a trick that you can use. It's a very old trick that everybody knows, but ये जो eyeshadow palette है ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा blendable है. Now next is another exciting product that I have been wanting to show you all. So this is again by KAJA. You can definitely check out the whole range on purplle.com. This is, I have been wanting to try this product ever since it came, but I was just waiting to film this video. इसीलिए this product is unused. I mean जो stamp है इसका ये unused है. So this is the stamp that you get, and ये कुछ इस टाइप से stamp है, and जो blush है उसे मैंने use किया हाथों से because I just couldn't resist. Oh, यहाँ पे मैंने 2 स्टैम्प लगाया है, and I'll just be blending this with a brush, and you can see that the color is just so pretty, and it's just so smooth. So this is, so मैंने थोड़ा सा डायरेक्टली लगा के देखा because for a moment I forgot that it has a stamp to it. So ये बहुत, and it smells so nice. In person it looks so nice. It looks absolutely flawless. बहुत ज़्यादा natural लग रहा है. Also I did not order highlighter because इस palette में ये जो shade है इसे हम use करेंगे as a really nice highlight so that you can see, and it will give you such a pretty glow. So ये मैंने इससे पहले थोड़ा सा यूज़ किया है फेस पे, and it looks so nice. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं. The second last step is a lipstick. Even though I do not feel like removing my new favorite lip balm, I will have to. And you know, this leaves a really nice tint. This lip balm is absolutely worth. So next I will be applying this. So this is the Maybelline creamy matte lipstick. If you've watched my tutorials before, you all know that I like satin and creamy finish a lot. I love lip glosses, but monsoon के season में lip glosses लगाना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता है. This is in the shade Nude Nuance. Really pretty mocha color. This is how it looks like. And ये जो मोका कलर है ये सभी इंडियन स्किन टोन पे बहुत ज़्यादा परफेक्ट लगेगा. लूज पाउडर है, इसे आप थोड़ा सा ले सकते हैं, and then you can just dab a little bit on your lips. Going to give you a super matte effect. The reason that I did not show it on my lips is because I really wanted the creamy finish. So here is how the lipstick looks like. And it's so comfortable. It glides on so smooth and settle into the cracks as well. So it's a long wear lipstick. Around 4 to 5 hours तक रहेगा, considering it's a creamy matte finish. And अगर आप इस टाइप से लगाते हो इसे, तो it's gonna last for around 6 to 7 hours, which is a really long time. And just to make your entire makeup monsoon proof, you can use this again, and the makeup does not budge. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मुझे थोड़ा सा लिपस्टिक टच अप करना होता है because मैं खाती पीती भी रहती हूँ. So this is a really nice product. Trust me, it's a really nice product. I am done with my makeup and this is how my makeup looks up close, and I was super excited to share all these products with you all because monsoon season chal raha and these products are monsoon friendly. So we'll be putting these products to a little test. Now I was supposed to spritz some water on my face but मुझे कोई भी खाली spritzing bottle नहीं मिला, so I think I'll just be splashing some water on my face. So this is my water bottle. थोड़ा सा पानी लेते हैं. I know how to do it maybe. Okay, so I have a tissue over here जो कि थोड़ा सा wet हो चुका है from the water that's falling off of my face. So I'll just be dabbing and showing y'all. Okay, so the water is, so I've completely dabbed all of the water. थोड़ा सा आंखों के पास बचा हुआ है, but I think that will just dry off. So this is how the tissue looks like, but the makeup has not come off. So obviously it is smudge proof, transfer proof, and it is apt for the monsoon season. Obviously थोड़ा सा makeup transfer होगा, but it is definitely monsoon friendly because the makeup has not come off, it's not melted. तो definitely अगर आप इस makeup के साथ थोड़ा सा पानी में भीगते भी है तो you can be rest assured that this makeup is not gonna come off completely. And try all of these products, and do not forget Purplle का जो I Heart Beauty sale है, it's gonna start 3rd August से लेके 10th August up to 50% off आपको मिल जाएगा. And definitely you can check rest of the details in the description box. Let me know how you like this video and how you like the test and everything. And if you like these videos, I would be glad to do more such videos. That is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.